On this Halong Bay spot. Orange chicken white meat with broccoli. And of course, I got some rice. So I visit my mom. We were putting together some day beds, so she got us some grub. She got some Chinese orange chicken. You can't go wrong with orange chicken. Right. It's good. It has, of course, red chicken, but I mean, they got real orange rind in there. I like that, man. Broccoli, peppers, carrot. So I'm pretty sure if I would have got it there, it'd be really crispy, but you know, it's steamed up in the box. Try's good. My son likes Chipotle's.